Now, I'm going to be real with you for a second. Folding phones are awesome, especially for gaming, but they're not exactly cheap. I think most of us, when we're on the hunt for a new phone, we're usually price shopping it around as much as possible because that's the smart thing to do. However, if you decide to go into the world of folding phones, you're going to be spending a minimum of $1,000 for one of these, and on the higher end, it's going to be closer to $2,000. It just depends. And right now, the clear leader in this category is Samsung with their Z Fold series. This is honestly one of the coolest phones in the market, hands down. I mean, it's not even close. The phone can actually be used without opening it, which is pretty cool. I mean, you can make phone calls, play games, or whatever without opening the phone. But when it's opened, you're going to have this massive display, which makes gaming and all things entertainment. It just takes it to a whole nother level. And these type of phones are also great for multitasking, if that's something you're into. But something you should also consider is that buying a phone like this is an investment because you're likely going to be using it for the next 3 to 4 years unless you do some kind of trade-in in between that time. But if you're leaning into buying a folding phone, I would stick with the Z Fold series. You know, I've been buying and upgrading every year they release one of these phones. And yes, I'm also a big gamer. The next thing I like to do is showcase what this phone can do by playing some Halo Infinite. This game is currently available on cloud gaming and a personal favorite when it comes to first-person shooters, of course. As I'm getting into this, I'd like to point out that I'll have some resources below in the description for the Z Fold series if you're trying to get this phone on the cheap. You could also get on our Tech newsletter where we send out one email a week and updates as well. Don't forget to tap that like and let's run it.
Being weapons, all of it. How will you get back? I'll figure something out. Do it fast!
Before he kills me!
He led the attack on the Infinity.
Now, before we get more into this, I wanted to recommend you guys check out Ignition Poker. You know, I think most of us enjoy playing poker in our free time, and this is a great place to do just that. I've currently been playing on Ignition for the last 7 years and regularly tear things up at the mid-stake games. They've got amazing software for playing on your phone or PC and also offer you the ability to play both free and real money games. And with lots of cash games running 24 hours a day and millions of dollars in monthly tournament prizes, you should be asking yourself, what am I doing here? I need to check out Ignition Poker ASAP. Of course, if you guys would like to learn more about them, there will be some bonus and resource links for them directly below in the description of this video.
He was looking for something. He killed everyone.
I know. We met.
missed one already. We could be the only two humans left alive out here.
Then there's still hope.
Straight as me.